The Rainforest Boy Part Two. The next day, the children come back. The hunter comes back too. He comes back with his friend. Pupilla. The children say, "Let's go and see the jaguars." "Not today, my friends," says Pupilla. "The jaguars are tired. You cannot come with me today, but come back tomorrow." The children go home, and Pupilla goes into the forest. He doesn't walk next to the river. He doesn't walk up the hill. He doesn't go to the jaguars. Pupilla goes up some walks and behind some trees. He goes up hot hills and down. He walks and walks. The hunters follow Pupilla, and Pupilla knows it. All morning, Pupilla walks, and the men follow. The men are tired. They are hot and hungry. Where are the jaguars? They think. Suddenly, Pupilla runs very, very fast, and the hunters can't follow him. "Where is he?" they say. "We can't see him." The hunters come to the tree. They cannot see Pupilla. They are hot and tired and hungry too. They want to find the jaguars. Then one of the hunters says, "Look, his footprints. We can follow his footprints. They can take us to the jaguars." Pupilla is up the tree. He laughs quietly. They are his footprints, but they are backward footprints. They don't go to the jaguars. They go down hills and up hills. Then they go out of the rainforest. The hunters follow the footprints. They are tired and hungry. "Where are these footprints going?" they ask. "Where is that going? And where are the jaguars?" Then the hunters hear a whistle, a loud whistle. "What's that?" they say. Is it an animal?" Now they are afraid too. They are tired, hungry, and afraid. "Where are we?" they say, but they don't know. So they follow the footprints. All afternoon, the hunters follow the footprints. They hear another whistle, and they are afraid. There are strange things in this rainforest, they say. It is evening now, and they want to go home. "These footprints aren't taking us to the jaguars," they say. "But can they take us out of the rainforest?" The men follow the footprints, and at last they came out of the rainforest. "I'm afraid," says one of the hunters. "I don't want to come back here." "No," says the others. "Let's go home." And they run home. Pupilla is in a tree. He sees the moon, and he laughs and laughs. The next day, the children come back. Can we see the jaguars today, Cobra? They asked. Yes, you can see the jaguars today. Will you helping them, Cobra? Asked the little girl. Yes, says Cobra. I always help the jaguars. I help the rainforest and follow the rainforest animals so they are safe. The end. Thank you for watching.